Hey everybody, it's Matt Dallas, and I am here today with Ashley Green from All About Water. And All About Water, Ashley's awesome. All About Water is one of our sponsors of our publications in Agritopia and Ocotillo and Chandler, as well as out in Eastmark and Mesa. And recently, if you're in Agritopia or Ocotillo, you saw the article about them introducing Ashley and introducing the company. And today what we're here to do is find out a little bit more all about water. And so Ashley, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us who you are and what you guys do here.
All right. So again, yes, I'm Ashley. I am the general manager here at All About Water. We are a full-service plumbing company that has a specialty or a focus in water treatment. So water softening, reverse osmosis, whole home filtration. That's really what we do. We've been doing it in the Valley for 40 years.
And you know, there's different options people have, right? But you've been doing this for 40 years. What are some of the things that make you guys different or unique in the market here?
Really, we can't stress being in the Valley for 40 years. Dave Chrisman, who's the owner, started the company in 1974, and we have been testing water and treating water and coming up with solutions for Valley residents ever since. I think that is huge here in the Valley with there being so many service providers. Aside from that, we carry an exclusive brand, which is the EcoWater Systems product line for all of your water treatment needs.
Gotcha. And the Valley has some unique water compared to some other parts of the country. And I know a lot of people move here from different parts of the country. So what would you say makes the water here special or different? Because you have to because it's important how you treat it, right? Right.
So one of the things that people commonly, they'll move from, say, Seattle, and we'll get a phone call and they'll say, Ashley, this is insane. In Seattle, I didn't have to treat my water. I could drink it out of the tap. And you are correct. Not all water is created equal. And so here in the Phoenix market, calcium, magnesium at extremely high levels, as well as dirts and sediments and minerals, that is one of the things that we have to deal with on a regular basis, not to exclude the high heat, which means we have to chlorinate the water. So that's a whole nother set of things that we're dealing with.
Got it. And what would you say, are things that people should look for? So say they are in the market for a water treatment system. Okay. What questions should they ask, or how do they figure out what's the best one for them?
I know that process can be intimidating to people because you can do a Google search and you can get so many different answers. And so I would say start by looking for a service provider that is local. That is very important. Buying stuff off the big box shelf may look good initially, but what you run into is that you don't have the local connection and you don't have service providers readily available to you. Right. Aside from that, look for products that have testing and certification. So third-party backing, which says, yes, this product has been tested and approved to do what you say it's going to do. That is incredibly important.
Right, because there are a lot of options out there, and it can be challenging to figure out which one is the right one and that actually does what it says it's going to do. Mm-hmm. You're right. What do you guys have going on right now? Like, what are some of the things that, if somebody's out there watching this, what's something that, could be a special thing that you guys have coming up, or anything you want to share or promote, while we're here?
Sure. Right now we are running a special on tankless water heaters. We can cover that in another video, but I think that it is so incredibly important that people at least consider the tankless application. And so we're running a special of $300 off of a tankless water heater installation. Don't wait for that water heater to leak on you. Right. Be proactive about it.
That's good advice. And anything else that we should know about All About Water?
We are here. Doors are open. The service department is busy, ready to go. In the Valley, you want to keep in mind, it's not a matter of if you're going to treat your water, but who you're going to do it with, and we'd love to be your service provider.
Hey, that's That's great advice. That's good. I like that. So I will put the contact info to reach out to Ashley and these guys here when we post this video. So you'll see that down below. And what's the best way for them to reach out to you? Would it be just call the office here, or what's?
You can call the office. You can Google all about water and check out the reviews before you call if it makes you more comfortable.
Okay.
Either way.
All right. Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys later. Thanks.